Let me see. At least it broke right. I'm not out yet.
I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
It is what it should be. It's Fifi. As you see, we're in a new location again because we're gonna try to make the honeycomb cookies from Squid Games. I have the cookie cutters here. This is the only circle cookie cutter I could find, but I guess it's gonna work out because this is perfect for this size. I only found this little tin, so this will be perfect for in here, and we're gonna get started. So as far as the ingredients, it's pretty simple. Just 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have organic sugar, organic raw sugar, and then just a pinch of baking soda. Baking soda, not powder. Okay, so I have my pan ready, and it is actually starting to caramelize. So as you can see, it didn't turn into a caramel color, and it's melting quite nicely. I'm gonna just keep stirring it. Bottom, and we're gonna press, and it's already hard, so that didn't work. Yeah. Oh my gosh, and it broke. Look at all of them. Only one perfect one. Okay, I'm gonna switch locations and see if I can actually get the shapes out of any of these successfully. Okay, so here go my bowl of different shapes. We all know about the umbrella. I messed it up, but I'm gonna see. I have my little needle here. I wrapped it in some tape so I don't poke myself with the other end. But yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can get these shapes out successfully. Let's get to it. I didn't already broke it. Oh no, I broke off the little end. I'm gonna keep going now. Oh, okay, the whole top broke off, but it broke off successfully. Okay, let's see if I can break this side off. Oof. Support the back end. Okay. Got that. Got that. Okay, I may actually get the umbrella. Let's see. Support the back ends. Like, oh, did I break it? I broke it. Oh no, this is why I was saying it's hard, because I made it too thin. Much thinner than what they were working with in the movie. But yeah, almost successfully did it. But yeah, it's broken. It's broken. Okay, first one. My thin one. Fail. I really want to get the circle out nicely. Breaking some of this off. Okay. Oh wait, we got one side off. Okay. Oh no, it's very tough over here. Eee. Come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, who broke that? E. Okay, it broke. Support. Okay, this one was... Wait, let me not speak too fast, because this part is hard. Yay! Let me see. At least it broke right. I'm not out yet. Okay. Look what just happened, man. Can you see it? Look at that. Oh gosh. Already? Oh my gosh. Should I keep going? Because I've already died multiple times. Let's see if I can just break it. Nope. Supported. Nope. Yes. Only one. I got the end off. As you can see, I probably would not have survived Squid Games, which is why I would never join anything like that. Maybe I would have survived if I would have got circle. Maybe. So I'm done, because I would have been done in multiple ways already. So now that the show is over, make sure you visit the like button, the feedback box is down below, and most importantly, visit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And with all that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces!